Imagine a machine that blurs the line between a five-star luxury apartment, a military-grade armored vehicle, and a self-sustaining survival machine. A vehicle designed not just to reach the end of the road, but to dominate whatever lies beyond it. This is not an RV. This is not just a truck. This is a rolling fortress, engineered for those who believe freedom has no borders. This is the Cadillac 2026 Extreme Expedition 6x6. Welcome back to Wheelhouse Reviews, where we break down the most extreme vehicles on the planet. And today, we're stepping into a league where luxury meets raw, unapologetic power. The Cadillac 2026 Extreme Expedition 6x6 is intimidation on wheels. At first glance, it doesn't ask for attention. It commands it. Built for ultra-high net worth explorers, long-range overlanders, and those who refuse compromise. This vehicle represents Cadillac's most radical evolution yet. It's a statement that American luxury can conquer deserts, mountains, ice fields, and war-zone-level terrain, while delivering comfort that rivals a penthouse suite. With a price tag of $2.6 million, this is not about excess. This is about absolute capability. From the outside, the Cadillac 2026 looks like it was carved from solid steel. The armored body panels feature sharp, military-inspired geometry with minimal overhangs, designed to improve approach and departure angles. Every surface feels purposeful. Massive reinforced fender arches wrap around oversized all-terrain tires mounted on beadlock wheels, giving the vehicle a planted, unstoppable stance. The lighting system is pure modern warfare. Adaptive LED and laser headlights cut through darkness, fog, and sandstorms with surgical precision. Roof-mounted auxiliary light bars turn night into daylight, while infrared and thermal cameras sit discreetly within the front fascia. Underneath, a reinforced 6x6 chassis supports heavy-duty skid plates, rock sliders, and integrated recovery points rated for extreme extraction scenarios. This is not styled to look tough. It is tough. Step inside, and the brutality of the exterior melts away into silence, warmth, and handcrafted luxury. Cadillac has engineered the cabin to feel like a private jet fused with a modern luxury apartment. Full-grain leather, brushed metal accents, and precision-milled wood panels surround you, all insulated with multi-layer thermal and acoustic shielding. The living space unfolds into a full lounge area with reclining seating, ambient lighting tuned to circadian rhythms, and panoramic smart glass windows that can instantly tint for privacy or heat control. The kitchen is fully equipped with induction cooking, refrigeration, and premium storage designed for months off-grid. The bathroom features a full standing shower, advanced water recycling, and hotel-grade fixtures. In the rear, the bedroom offers a king-size sleeping arrangement, vibration isolation, and climate control engineered for extreme environments, from sub-zero tundra to scorching deserts. Under the hood lies the heart of a beast. The Cadillac 2026 Extreme Expedition 6x6 is powered by a high-output twin-turbo diesel hybrid powertrain, producing immense torque at low RPM. Exactly where off-road dominance is born. Power is delivered through a reinforced automatic transmission into a full-time 6x6 drivetrain with locking differentials across all axles. Independent adaptive suspension actively adjusts ride height and damping in real time, allowing the vehicle to crawl over boulders, wade through deep water, or cruise effortlessly on highways. With massive ground clearance, torque vectoring, and intelligent terrain response modes, this machine doesn't react to terrain, it anticipates it. Long-range fuel capacity and hybrid efficiency ensure endurance measured not in miles, but in continents. Technology inside this Cadillac goes far beyond infotainment. A central command interface integrates navigation, vehicle diagnostics, terrain mapping, satellite imaging, and weather forecasting. Multiple external cameras provide a 360-degree tactical view, including underbody visualization for precision crawling. Off-grid systems are where this vehicle truly separates itself. A high-capacity solar array feeds advanced lithium battery banks, powering the entire living space silently for extended periods. Freshwater storage, filtration, and atmospheric water generation ensure self-sufficiency. Satellite internet and encrypted communications keep you connected anywhere on Earth. This is not camping technology. This is expedition-grade infrastructure. Safety here is absolute. The armored construction offers ballistic protection without sacrificing performance. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise, autonomous emergency braking, off-road descent control, and terrain-aware stability management. In survival scenarios, integrated emergency systems include redundant power, medical storage, fire suppression, and automated distress signaling. This vehicle is designed not only to explore, but to protect its occupants in the harshest conditions imaginable. At $2.6 million, the Cadillac 2026 Extreme Expedition 6x6 exists in a realm of bespoke craftsmanship. Optional upgrades include enhanced armor, expanded energy systems, custom interiors, and expedition-specific equipment. Ownership costs reflect its exclusivity, but resale value remains strong due to limited production and rising demand among elite overlanders. For full-time explorers, this isn't an expense, it's an investment in total autonomy. This vehicle is for those who reject limitations, expedition travelers crossing continents, survivalists preparing for absolute independence, digital nomads working from the edge of civilization, and collectors who demand machines that redefine what's possible. If your destination isn't on a map, this Cadillac was built for you. The Cadillac 2026 Extreme Expedition 6x6 has no real competitor. It stands alone as a fusion of luxury, power, and survival engineering. This is not about transportation, it's about freedom. Freedom to go anywhere, live anywhere, and stay there in complete comfort. In a world of compromise, this vehicle refuses to make one. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe to Wheelhouse Reviews, and drop a comment telling us where you'd take this beast first. And stay tuned, because the next extreme review is even more insane.